Hello everyone, today I will draw the aeroplane. So let's start drawing. First I will draw his shape. And now I will draw his windows. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll draw 4 windows. And now I will make his thicker outline to make his shape more beautiful. So let's do it. Look, it's ready. Now it's time to color it. First color is sky blue color. And now orange color. Yellow color. Light pink color. Look, it's ready. And now I will draw the clouds. He looks so beautiful. Bye bye everyone. See you in my next video. Today I will draw the banana. So let's start drawing. First I will draw banana shape. I like drawings. Are you like drawings? And now I will draw the thicker outline to make his shape more beautiful. So let's do it. Now looks ready. Now it's time to color it. Yellow color. Wow, she looks beautiful. And look, now it's ready. Wow, she looks very cute. And now I will draw the design in banana.